Hi and welcome back to the Polymer Clay channel. So today I'm going to show you how to use one of these. Now I weren't too sure about this because this is one of these silicone molds. Now I'm not really sure how Fimo works with this or any polymer clay. I'm assuming it's going to have to be really soft to pick up all the detail, and I thought I would give it a go. I've never tried one of these before. I've always found them a little bit complicated to get all the clay in the right places, and then how do you make things different colours, all that sort of stuff. So I thought I'd give it a go. So this is a ballerina and I'm going to show you how I did it. So here we go. Thanks for watching the tutorial. So, as you saw from the tutorial, it wasn't particularly easy. So I wanted to try out silicone moulds because they are really soft and rubbery, and to be honest with you, I weren't too sure if it was going to work. So after a bit of playing around with it, it kind of did. And as you saw from my tutorial, I went through different stages, I used different clays, and I took you through the whole process this time. So rather than just showing you what I did right, I wanted to show you also what I did wrong. So putting all the clay in and things like that, absolute nightmare. Trying to get different clays to work, trying to get the different colours in and stuff like that, not great. So I decided to do it all one colour, as I did, and then painted it, and that seemed to work. So I'm going to show you what it looks like now. So here we go. I've kept it on the tile because it just makes it easier for you to see and for me to hold. As you can see from the detail, if I put it up a little bit closer, I think it turned out all right. So painting it wasn't easy. I had to use my tiniest, finest paintbrushes, and as you well know, acrylic paint is not the greatest for its detail, and yeah, some of it went all over the place. I managed to keep the majority of paint on there, and then I used the finer details as carefully as I could for the face and also for the hair. I really enjoyed this, but it was very fiddly. I liked the fact that finally it turned out how I wanted it to after a few tries. Like I said, the clay has to be really soft because otherwise it doesn't pick up the detail. What I would suggest is putting it in there and then leaving it in the fridge or the freezer for sort of 10-15 minutes, something like that, and it might just give it that strength so you can pop it out and then you wouldn't have any kind of bits falling out or stretching or anything like that. So I didn't do that, but next time I definitely will. I have got some more silicone moulds to try, so I am going to do this again. I've got a really fancy carousel horse that I'm really looking forward to using. It does look a lot more detailed than the Ballerina, but I'm going to give it a go anyway. So this is how you create a ballerina from a silicone mould and some paint. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching this tutorial. So I'm going to show you what it looks like now. I've got it here. How close can we go with this thing? So I'm going to show you what it looks like now. So here we go. I've left it on the tile. I wanted you to see the exact piece, how it turned out. What are you even talking about? So I'm going to. So it does look a lot more detailed than So this is how you make a ballerina with some police going on in the background. Oh yeah. Am I sweating? Jesus Christ, I'm sweating. Jesus Christ. It's boiling in here. Ugh.